Want to learn how to make a magic wallet? Here's a quick and easy way to fool your friends. To construct this wallet, you will need cardboard, fabric, elastic, and a hot glue gun. Then pick out any piece of fabric you like and hot glue it around the outside of the cardboard. Once you have this done, take 2 strips of elastic and 2 squares. Place the elastic in an X-like shape on one of the squares and glue the leftmost piece to the back. Next, you'll take the right pieces and glue them to the back of the other square. Next, take 2 pieces of elastic and lay them flat on the rightmost square. Glue the rightmost side to the back of the right square. Next, take the leftmost side and glue them to the back of the left square. All that's left to do is take the other squares you set aside earlier and glue them on the back. And there you have it, a cheap, easy DIY project to trick your friends.